I've been in this meeting 40 times. The demo is magic. The agent books the meeting, writes the code, closes the ticket. It looks exactly like the future you were promised. You're about to sign a contract. 3 questions first.
The AI demo is an optimized artifact. The product team built it. The sales engineer rehearsed it. The prompt was tuned. The example task was chosen because the agent does it reliably. The demo runs on a happy path that was paved in advance. What you're buying is not the demo. What you're buying is how this agent behaves on your work, your messy tickets, your edge cases, your data it's never seen, your team's patience when it's confidently wrong. None of those are in the demo. The demo is a proof of concept for the best case. You live in the average case. 3 questions. Ask all of them. Watch what happens when you do. Question 1. Show me your success rate on my kind of task, measured in a real customer's production, not your benchmark. Ask for a number, a real number. How often does the agent complete the task correctly, unattended, on work that looks like mine? Not the demo, not the leaderboard, the field. The success rate matters because of what a high but not perfect number does to your team. An agent that's right 90% of the time trains your reviewers to stop checking. Then the 10th case, the confidently wrong one, ships, because it looked exactly like the 9 good ones before it. You've seen this pattern. Everyone has seen this pattern. Watch what the vendor does when you ask. If they replay the demo, that's an answer. If they offer a trial on your real workload so you can measure it yourself, that's a different answer. If they produce a customer who'll share actual numbers, that's the best answer. The evasion is informative, so is the willingness to show you. Question 2. What happens when the model is wrong? Walk me through the failure mode. Every AI product is wrong sometimes. A bad answer, a wrong action, a confident hallucination. You need to know what wrong looks like and who catches it before you wire this thing to anything that matters. Specifically, does it fail loud or fail silent? Fail loud means a wrong or low confidence action gets flagged and routed to a human before it executes. Fail silent means the agent just does the wrong thing and moves on, and you find out later from a customer. Ask exactly when a human is required and what the agent is allowed to do entirely on its own. If the vendor says, "Don't worry, there's a human in the loop," ask where exactly. On every action, or only the ones it flags? Who flags them? The agent grading its own confidence? Human in the loop is not a specification, it's a feeling. A vendor who can draw the exact approval boundary has built one. A vendor who reaches for the phrase probably hasn't. Question 3. Who else runs this on real production work and will actually talk to me? Not a case study PDF, not a logo on a slide. A human being at a company like yours who will get on a 30-minute call and tell me honestly how it's going 6 months in. And while you're there, one more. What model is under the hood? And what happens when it changes? AI products are built on models the vendor doesn't control. The model gets deprecated or updated, and behavior shifts under you. Ask how they handle a model swap. The good ones have a plan. The rest, we'll find out with you. If the vendor can't produce a reference customer running it in production, you're either the first real customer or the existing ones didn't have an experience worth sharing. Both matter. A new AI product with no production references is a beta program with a contract. That might be fine. You should know that's what it is. The questions aren't pass or fail. They're a calibration. Here's how to read them. A vendor who answers question 1 with real numbers. A production success rate on tasks like yours, measured, documented, is a vendor who knows their product. They've run it on messy, real work. They've looked at the uncomfortable number, and they're showing it to you anyway. That's a signal. A vendor who can walk you through the failure mode with specifics. When the model is low confidence, it flags the action and pages a human instead of executing. Has designed for being wrong. Designing for wrong means they expect it and built something survivable. That's also a signal. And a vendor who connects you with a reference customer quickly, without hedging, has customers willing to vouch on the record. That doesn't guarantee the product is good, it means the relationship is good. And the relationship is what you're actually buying once the contract is signed and the model updates next quarter. 3 questions. Success rate on your task in production. Failure mode with specifics. A reference customer who'll talk. Ask all 3 in every AI vendor conversation. The answers, and the evasions, will tell you more than another hour of demo. Subscribe. Next time, Dev Reviews Dev. We go back through this series and correct what we already got wrong.